Hey guys, Bill at Millennium Sounds. We're here today at the Motor District giving you an update. This is our unit here. Since you've seen this space last, we have drywalled, painted. We actually painted the sprinkler system, the beam, and then we installed our recessed lighting, 4-inch cans, speakers, and sprinklers will be going in later next week. We've also started the tile on our bathrooms, and then the flooring for the upstairs should be done next week also. And then the week of the 14th, we will be doing the epoxy floor. We got something really cool planned for that. It's gonna be a metallic epoxy. It's gonna look really cool. Some of the things we're doing here at our unit at Motor District are alarm system, security, cameras, audio video, lighting, automating all those things into one smart home automation system, as well as TVs and music. Some of the other units, we're doing a lot of security. We're doing cameras for the whole facility, and then also cameras, alarm systems, speakers, TVs, and automation in the other units as well. We are also doing a couple Tony Kanaan race simulators, so stay tuned for those videos too. We should be building those in the next couple weeks as well. We'll be documenting that. Hey, this is Bill at Millennium Sounds. Check us out on Facebook and YouTube. Stay tuned for more videos and check out some of our old videos. Go team.
Awesome, thanks, Bill.